Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today we're doing a whole lot of dusting, cleaning, and organizing, and I'll be catching you up on some house and life updates while I clean. I wanted to give you guys a little update while I clean because so much has been happening behind the scenes lately, and the biggest update is the kitchen is finally functional again. And we have new appliances, which means we finally have a working sink and dishwasher. It sounds like such a simple thing, but after going without those for so long, it's honestly making everyday life so much easier. Because of the new setup, we did have to change the layout a little bit. The fridge moved, the pantry moved, and we made some adjustments to make the space work better for daily life and filming. The old layout it wasn't really functional, and as much as I love parts of it, it wasn't working for our family. One thing that is staying is the open pantry. I know some people were asking about that, and don't worry, I plan on finishing it on camera. The only thing holding me up right now is the shelf covers. I've somehow managed to order the wrong size twice already. At this point, I might just do what I've seen other people do, like have some wood or MDF cut to size instead, because I'm determined to get that finished. The next time I switch out this entertainment setup, it's going to be close off everything, no more shelving. I'm so tired of dusting everything every single time. I like the way it looks, but it's so much cleaning. I told you guys it was really dusty. Between the cat hair and the dust, it's like never ending. As far as upcoming content, I have so many things planned. The kitchen still has like some finishing touches. The pantry still needs to be completed, and also I want to start working on the kids' rooms. I'm turning their rooms into like tween rooms now. I've been slowly gathering furniture, decor, and ideas so these spaces can finally come together. I'm not doing white in their room this time either. I'm going with something a little warmer this time. Huge shout out to my handyman and my team and my partner for helping make all of this happen. They've been handling so much of the physical work while I've been trying to keep up with filming, editing, answering emails, and online shopping for all the pieces we still need. I've also been really focused on making the house feel more cozy and functional lately, not just pretty for the camera, but actually practical for everyday life. Things like better storage, better organization systems, and creating spaces that are easier to maintain long term. Starting with this pantry cabinet, I guess, girl, it's still hot in here. The AC is still a little high. It's a little better, but still a little high, and especially when I'm moving around. But this pantry cabinet is a mess, and honestly, since I put it together, I've just been throwing stuff in here. Haven't bought decent dishes in a while. If you saw my YouTube short, I'm showing you guys that there's snacks in there, so I'm not going to open it up. But yeah, I just bought some new dishes and some new glassware, so that sparked me to want to organize this whole thing in the first place. So that's what I'm going to do now. I've been in such a home nesting phase recently. I've been thinking about routines, more meal planning, organization, decorating, seasonal updates, and just creating a home that feels peaceful and lived in. Those are the kinds of projects I get excited about now because I feel like they make a difference in day-to-day life. I'm also really looking forward to sharing more cleaning videos now, even more so, like organization projects, room makeovers, pantry updates, grocery hauls, and just all the little details that go into making a house feel like a home. There's still a lot left to do, but for the first time in a long time, it feels like we're making some real progress. When we first moved in, I was very concerned about how the layout was going to work with filming, because I'm used to having a sink in the middle of the island and the kitchen just being really open where you can see everything, and this layout just wasn't like that at all. The sink was kind of like in a corner in the middle, and it was in front of a wall. It just didn't work at all. So like I said, I'm so grateful to have a functional kitchen that's also good for filming. These are my same mugs that I've always had. I think maybe one is missing, probably one broke. My Death Note one cracked, so I put that in my office as like a keepsake. But I've had all of these dishes in Tupperware except for maybe like the pink ones and some of the kids' ones for 6-7 years now. I did end up keeping some of the plates that we had from before, like 2 of each. A lot of them were chipped, so I did have to get rid of those. And I have decluttered and got rid of a lot of the kids' old like kid plates, but I did keep a few just for like sentimental value, and so they can always remember them. I literally just threw these pans in here and forgot about them. I barely use these. I need to get rid of them, honestly. I'm changing out pretty much everything, girl. I was just playing around with how I wanted it to be organized. I ended up changing it again, but I forgot to show it at the end. I had a couple of plates that were just singular plates that I still do use sometimes because I like them, so I'm keeping them. And then those rainbow ceramic ones I'm going to keep for the kids. I am going to keep this pot from the Caraway set. Our rice cooker broke. Don't judge my grater. The top fell off, and I'm going to get a new one too. But yeah, the rice cooker broke, and I never repurchased another one, and I was so nervous to make rice in a regular pot, and now I'm a pro. So I don't even think I'm going to get a rice cooker. And now I'm going to tackle this silverware drawer. Yeah, this is what happens when you have the kids put the dishes away most of the time, but I honestly just be chucking the silverware in here too because I'm trying to get on to the next task. Like I mentioned before, I love this table. It's from Plank and Beam and it's so much easier to clean, so I thought, than a glass table. But I feel like with the wire brush and just like the grooves in it, I have to clean it like this or else the crumbs just won't come off or it won't fully get clean. On a more fun note, I actually have a little staycation planned with the kids coming up. We're going to be doing water parks and just enjoying a proper Florida summer and taking a few days to slow down and have fun together. We also have Sultan's 12th birthday next month as well. Right now I'm just organizing the cubbies under my little DIY island. This is where I keep my most used seasonings, baking essentials, school lunch stuff, and extra stuff like jars, Ziploc bags, and foil. And this island was never actually meant to be a high top piece. I just didn't want it sitting directly on the floor without the base. But the height it never quite felt right, and even with the extension underneath, I still was having to end up putting like a piece of cardboard underneath to prop it up and make it level. It's one of those things that I thought would look good in theory, but in real life it just doesn't fully work, so I'd rather just adjust it now and make it something that actually fits how we use the space every day. Not now, like as in this video, because this butcher block is so heavy. I obviously need someone to help me lift it.
Out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit.
When I remove the base, I'm also gonna put a back on this because the cat loves to just climb in and out between the cubbies like it's a little jungle gym, and she gets her cat hair all over our seasoning, so I need to close this up. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you got some motivation from it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.